Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of inner. Located inside or further in. Internal. For example, an inner courtyard. The second definition of inner. Spiritual or mental. For example, a test of inner strength. American pronunciation. Inner. Inner. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Inner. Say. Inner. Inner means situated inside. Inner. Inner. Inner origin. Old English inera and inra, a comparative of in. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Drill 4 holes, 1 in each corner inside the inner line. Now, repeat after me. Drill 4 holes, 1 in each corner inside the inner line. The second practice. We pass through the arch and inside to the inner courtyard. Now, repeat after me. We pass through the arch and inside to the inner courtyard.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.